Buzz off. Unpacking an English phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, buzz off. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it. Let's get started. To understand buzz off, let's first explore the word buzz. In English, buzz often refers to the sound that bees make when they fly. Imagine a bee quickly moving around, then flying away. That's the essence of the word buzz. So, when we think of something or someone buzzing off, it means they are leaving quickly, much like a bee would. When someone says buzz off, they aren't literally talking about bees. Instead, it's a colloquial way to tell someone to go away or leave them alone. It's informal and can be considered rude if used in serious or formal situations. Here's an example. Person A, can I borrow your notebook? Person B, no, buzz off. In this scenario, Person B is telling Person A to leave or stop bothering them. It's essential to be cautious when using phrases like buzz off. It's best suited for casual situations among friends or peers. If used with strangers or in formal settings, it might come off as disrespectful. Always ensure you understand the context before using such phrases. While the exact origins of buzz off are hard to trace, it's believed to have been derived from the buzzing sound bees make, as mentioned earlier. The phrase began to gain popularity in the 20th century and has since become a staple in colloquial English language. And that's a wrap on buzz off. We hope you now have a clear understanding of this playful yet pointed English phrase. Remember, language isn't just about words, but also about context. So always be aware of when and where you use certain phrases. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.